Hello students, welcome back to our channel Math with Us. In this video, we are going to learn how to find equivalent fraction. Now, equivalent fractions are those fractions which are having same values. Let us take some example and let us learn how to find equivalent fractions. Suppose if I take first example as 3 over 5. Now, in order to find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction, we have to multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. Here, if you multiply top by 2, we have to multiply the denominator also by 2. So, here we get 3 times 2 is 6 and 5 times 2 is 10. So, 6 by 10 is equivalent to 3 by 5. In the same way, if we multiply the same fraction by another number, let us suppose if we multiply this by 3, the top and the bottom with the same number 3. So here we get 9 over 15. So 9 over 15 is also equivalent fraction to 3 over 5. Let us take one more example. Suppose if we have the fraction 5 over 15. If we want to find an equivalent fraction, we can divide the top and the bottom by the same number. Suppose if we divide this by 5, as we have the common fraction as 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 5 over 15 is equivalent to 1 over 3. Similarly, if we multiply 5 over 15 by 2, the numerator also by 2 and the denominator also by 2, we get here 10 over 30. So here we find that 5 over 15, 1 over 3, 10 over 30 are all equivalent fractions. In this way, we can find out the equivalent fractions either by multiplying or by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.